Beyond Cool is back, and today is a Beyond Cool hack. Everyone can be a chef. Let's kick it up a notch and let's show you how to do the perfect scrambled eggs. And remember this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and there will be future, of course, Beyond Cool hacks. So let's just crack 3 eggs to start. I'm using a medium-sized frying pan, and then we'll go from there. So there are 3 eggs. It's roughly 3/4 of a cup of eggs, and this is the perfect way just to start off. And of course, you'll change it up a little bit. Most people just break up the eggs like that, and then they throw in the frying pan. We're going to kick it up a notch. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of distilled water, and of course, you do need to spice it up with me. So I use a pinch of sea salt, and a lot of people don't do this during the process, but I like to just cheat. And some fresh ground pepper, really finely grinded. And of course, it won't be Beyond Cool without a little bit of cayenne. If you don't like how hot that is, I then suggest use a cool paprika, like a smoked paprika or a Spanish paprika or whatever you can get. And now we're ready for the frying pan, and that's a secret too. So let's go to the frying pan. And of course, a medium non-stick frying pan would be the best with any type of eggs that you like to either cook or fry. So first we need to turn the stove on high. And you might be wondering, wow, no one ever does that. So don't worry, we will lower it definitely to a medium and then a medium low. And people are freaking out saying you usually do scrambled eggs on medium low. But I do it a little bit different. Always hacks, and it'll be fluffy, don't worry. So my trick from Sunny Side Up eggs is to make sure that there's olive oil and a lid nearby. I like to paint. You can move the frying pan around like this if you don't have a cool brush like this. So let's have some fun. I'll put that in the sink. I got my eggs. Dump it in. Oh, that looks beautiful. That really looks beautiful. Get my trusty lid. Grab, of course, this. Hey, this works like magic. The only thing you really need. So, you're wondering what's going on. It's on super high. There's a lid on. Why isn't it scrambled? Well, we're waiting for the outside of the egg to cook. And then we will gently massage it to the center. We will lower it to medium, and then we'll lower it to, I would say a medium low, around from 9 all the way to a 2, depending on how your stove looks. And if you have fresh parsley or anything like that, you can do that too. I'm just grabbing a plate to make sure. Oh, we have to go. So, as you can see, it's on super high, and there is, so you fold it in, and lower it to 5, because remember, it's on super high, and now you just pretty much have fun, because this is almost done. So fold it in. And when you fold it in, what occurs is the liquid does go to the outside, which makes it super happy. They're going to be fluffy. They're going to be really fluffy. And now when most of the liquid is gone, just like this, I would put it to a 2, where most people would say you have to cook scrambled eggs on a low setting. Well, I don't have time for that kind of stuff. And remember that it can't be overcooked scrambled eggs. You have to be very careful because the frying pan is super hot. And remember, it was on high. So look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's done. So let's move this over. Let's shut off the stove. Let's do something crazy. Put a plate on the hot element. And this is done. It's still cooking. So if you think that it won't be fluffy, trust me, it is fluffy. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's so good. And look at the frying pan. And look at this. And let me move it closer to you. Oh, I'm having fun this morning. I can't find where the camera is. So look at this. Look at this. Steam is coming out. Delicious. There's red specks from the cayenne. Black specks because of the black pepper. And there is salt. I'm going to enjoy this. And once again, make sure you hit the like button. Please be sure to subscribe. And there will be future hacks. Like always. Cheers for now. Beyond Cool signing out.